everyone and welcome to my channel. I know that a lot of you are working from home these days. In this video, I'll be mentioning 10 essential things which I believe are important to follow if you want to be productive while working from home. So, let's begin. The first point is to stick to your morning routine. Make sure you have a routine. This is for everyone, whether you are a student, a working professional, or a homemaker. It is very important to have a routine and follow it without fail. Mine includes having at least a glass of water after I wake up. I usually have it warm with lemon and honey. You can have it the way you want, but make sure to do so as it is very effective in improving your body's metabolism. I also like to spend some me time in the morning. It helps me put my thoughts in place and gets me charged up for the entire day. The next point is to keep track of the time. It is important to do so because it is highly unprofessional to be late to your work. But at the same time, it is essential that you do your regular household chores. The idea is to dedicate a specific time to your household activities so that it doesn't bother you in the back of your mind when you are working on your office projects. If you dedicate specific time to both personal and professional tasks, it will be easier for you to find a work-life balance and it will definitely help you in the long run. Next one is meal planning and prepping in advance. Now this saves me a ton of my time. I'm so grateful that I already have this habit of planning my meals beforehand. Ever since I started working, the most difficult thing for me was making my own meals without fail. Initially, most of the time I ended up eating outside, which was affecting my health. Then I came across the idea of planning my meals in advance and prepping up for them. If you know what you're going to eat in the following day or in the next meal, half the battle is already won. Trust me, it's a game changer. I'm sure you will agree with me on this one. Let me know if you want to know more about this and I'll dedicate an entire video on meal planning and meal prepping. You can create a meal planner like this and you can just place it on the top of your refrigerator or a door and refer to it before making your lunch or dinner. The next point is to make a dedicated office space at your home. It is highly important to have a space that you dedicate for your office work that is not your bed. Not everyone has a designated home office, but it's critical to have a private, quiet space for your work. If you can, please separate your work area from your personal space and use it just for work and not for other activities. Next point is exercise. Now, I have read it somewhere that exercise is the most underrated antidepressant and I cannot agree more. It keeps me sane during these tough times. Just make a routine and try to stick to it. Even a simple walk for 30 minutes is good enough and so much better than doing absolutely nothing. Try and do it for 21 days to make it a habit. Also, while working from your desk, do some stretches in regular intervals. The next one is hydrate yourself. It is extremely important. Drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. I normally tend to forget drinking water when I'm too busy. So, I have started to set a reminder on my phone which notifies me every 45 minutes that I have to drink water. I also try to maintain a water tracker as part of my habit tracker. It helps me visualize the water I drank for the day and forces me to achieve my target. I'll link this video in the description box below where I've created this water tracker as part of my bullet journal setup. Do check it out if you haven't already. Moving on to the next point, keep your workspace clean. I'm sure everyone will agree with me on this point. I absolutely cannot function when I see a lot of clutter around me. So before starting my day, I always wipe down the table and remove all the unnecessary things from there. It keeps me sane all day long and helps me to concentrate better on my work. Moving on to the next point, it is important to keep track of all the items in your to-do list. I usually have two separate checklists, a professional checklist where I note down my task list for the day to complete, and a personal one that reminds me the things I have to do that do not fall in the professional space. I make sure to scratch the items once completed. It gives me a sense of accomplishment and really motivates me to finish off the remaining tasks quickly. The next one is super important. To be productive, it is very important to relax your mind every few hours. Just like you take a coffee break in your office, you should also do it at home to rejuvenate your mind. You can take a break and chill out with your family, friends, or even just by yourselves. Whatever helps you declutter your mind. Please make sure that you take regular breaks. Last but not the least, it is imperative that you sleep well in time. You must create a schedule and decide a fixed time when you finally complete all your work and go off to sleep. This will help your mind and body to relax, and you will feel fresh when you wake up the next day.
Hey there! I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below, and I'll try and get back to each one of you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you genuinely liked it, and share it with your family and friends. Also, consider subscribing to the channel because one, it's free, and second, you get notified when I upload a new video every time. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, it's Apurva signing off.